Hello everyone, this is Avdesh Ram, and today we will talk about ecological status of Thane Creek and adjoining Ulhas River estuary in post-monsoon season, and we will mainly focus on water analysis. This is introduction. This is the our study area, Mumbai, surrounded by the creek from the four sides. Earlier time, the Thane Creek used to support diverse form of life. With the onset of heavy industrialization and urbanization, the creek ecosystem deteriorated respectively. These are the few glimpses of the Thane Creek, the Pentas stork, kingfisher, some small water birds. The current work aimed to establish the link of anthropogenic activity and its harmful effect on the creek ecosystem. The samples were collected from different locations and they were subjected to different parameters like pH temperature, turbidity, chemical oxygen demand, salinity, acidity, alkalinity, nutrients content, etc. All these parameters were evaluated and their standard value were compared based on the AFA manual. Some of the parameters were done on the field like dissolved oxygen and turbidity using Secchi list. These are the points from where the samples were collected on day 1 as well as day 2. Some results were compared with the earlier data of 2014 and those results are the depth has increased at various locations mainly due to more and more sedimentation. Dissolved oxygens at some locations has gone down, which states that there is zero living activity in that particular condition. COD has increased. Acidity alkalinity at Hariam Nagar has risen. This is mainly due to construction dumping. pH of water is increased in Mulund. The average nitrogen value has increased as compared to the earlier year. This is the observation data of 2014 and 15. These are the some glimpses. It shows the waste like gunny bags, plastic bags are hanging onto the mangrove barks, and an image of a field researcher carrying out his observing his spot observations. Some other parameters were also observed, like density of mangroves were found decrease significantly as compared to earlier year. The density of fauna like fiddler crabs has visibly diminished at several locations. Garbage deposition has increased as compared to earlier year. Extensive waste deposition as seen in Airoli and Bhandup due to urbanization. Kalwa and Bhayandar, two new sewage outlets were observed. Ghansoli region has seen the sign of improvement. Some of the conclusions were made here. The dissolved oxygen has gone down in many locations. Suspended solids, their amount is increased. COD value has increased, and acidity alkalinity also increased as compared to earlier year. Recommendations from our side are sewage or waste should be treated before dumping into the ocean or creek ecosystem. Plastic waste should be reduced. If it is in use, it should be reused and recycled. Septic tank should be used to minimize the sediment flow into the ecosystem. Strict reinforcement of law should be against dredging. Awareness among the people should be there, and social efforts should be made for conserving mangroves. Small message: keep calm and don't pollute the Thane Creek. Thank you.